Hey guys, welcome to the stunning single-family smart home located in the highly sought-after community of Aqua Bella in Hialeah, Florida. Get ready to be amazed as we take you on a virtual tour of this remarkable property. Before we go inside, check out some of the other videos where we give you an exclusive neighborhood tour. And if you get any value from them, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know of any new content. My name is Michael Valencia with Lamacchia Realty, and this is Living in South Florida. Let's go check out the house. Built in 2020, this home has just under 2,200 square feet of living space. It has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. And step inside and be greeted by an open layout that maximizes natural light and creates a seamless flow between living spaces. Kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with high-end stainless steel appliances and exquisite quartz countertops, perfect for culinary masterpieces. But the luxury doesn't end there. Step outside to the expansive fenced backyard, offering privacy and endless possibilities for outdoor activities and relaxation. Insulated roof over the terrace and synthetic grass create maximum comfort and relaxation with little to no maintenance. You'll notice the 1 bedroom and a full bath are conveniently located downstairs. As you begin to make your way upstairs, you'll be greeted by luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. The primary bedroom is massive, offering you 2 walk-in closets, high 9-foot ceilings, and a dual sink vanity in the primary suite with a glass door stand-up shower. The additional 2 bedrooms are standard size, each with their own closet, and a second full bathroom with a tub. The massive laundry room is located upstairs, giving you that peace of mind to easily keep up with the family. And for those with electric cars, the garage features a convenient 240-volt outlet, making eco-friendly living a breeze. Aqua Bella isn't just about the home itself. As a resident, you'll have access to 2 clubhouses where you can enjoy refreshing pools, state-of-the-art fitness centers, and a thrilling water park designed exclusively for the kids. The community also provides ample visitor parking and is conveniently located near major highways, making commuting a breeze. Don't miss out on the opportunity to make this your dream home. Schedule a showing today and experience the perfect blend of luxury, convenience, and community amenities that Aqua Bella has to offer. Your dream home awaits. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking to move to South Florida, and we absolutely love it. Whether you're looking to move in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. All of the information is in the description below so we can help you make a smooth move to South Florida.